I'm Olena. This lesson is dedicated to understanding the combination of different colors, harmony, color balance, and contrast. Certain basics of art are important for correct selection of paints. I have no professional education in art. I am self-taught and I have taken several courses so I can share my knowledge. I also participated in art shows and exhibited paintings. I want to talk a little about what the effects of your painting depends on. There is a color wheel. It is present in all drawing textbooks, even in this book. This helps to understand color balance, harmonious color combination, and contrast. This also helps create the composition of the drawing. It is advisable to see the differences in color combinations and understand this difference. Another concept is the transparency and translucency of the paints. For example, black absorbs all the colors. Even if layers of paint are applied, black absorption of these paints can occur. However, yellow and blue can be transparent and translucent. Much depends on the amount of solvent used and the way the paints are used. Therefore, it is important to learn to see the difference between thick, opaque paints and translucent paints. All of this comes from experience. If we talk about color contrast, then colors that contrast first are those that are opposite to each other on the color wheel. Contrast allows for the creation of clearer boundaries between colors. For example, consider a picture in which contrasting colors are used. Alternatively, for example, in this picture, dark and light colors contrast and therefore allow us to see this design. Contrast can evoke certain emotions more than pastels and blurred color lines. In addition to contrast, there is a color balance, which refers to the combination of colors across the color spectrum. In other words, the colors are similar in tone. This color combination can result in different perception of the picture. In liquid art, color transitions and formation of curves, lakes, and cells are important. This set often does not give overly contrasting transition, but creates a stepwise color transition. Color harmony can include contrasting and similar colors. Look at this group of paints that I picked up. This seems to be almost the same. However, they still differ in color. Some are warmer and others colder. For liquid art, it is important not to mix such colors combination. However, if you add a contrasting color, for example white, and some other color that is darker, that is more contrasting, then you obtain a harmonious color combination. Even if the two colors are similar, the presence of two contrasting paints will significantly change the result of the drawing. In other words, you should choose colors in a way that makes you happy, but also makes other people feel a certain way. Do not forget that when you mix different paints or use paint thinner, they mix together and can create other color combinations. Not all paints interact well with one another. To obtain a better effect, paints can be gradually introduced into the drawing, for example, in drops and stripes. I recommend that anyone new to working with liquid acrylic should start with the contrasting colors such as black and white. However, one can add a third color, such as red. This is a good combination. Thus, learning liquid paintings begins with this combination of paints. A number of liquid acrylic experts recommend not mixing more than 5 types of colors, but a lot depending on the liquid painting technique used. For example, the stripe technique allows to use of many different colors. If you use paint that are similar in color, and at least one contrasting color. In fact, this is a play on color. First, play this game. Classical paintings may have the own rules of color combination. In liquid art, there are no such rules because, in general, the result of such drawings is not very predictable. Paints behave differently, especially when combined with solvents and other additives. Experimentation is always advisable. You learn to feel the quality of paints. Composition is the construction of painting, drawing, or photograph. In classical art, composition is developed in advance. In liquid acrylic, the composition is most often spontaneous and depends on the direction of the movement of the paints. You will learn to control your composition over time. In addition, liquid acrylic can only be used for individual areas of the painting and not for the entire canvas. Different drawing techniques allow us to obtain designs that are perceived differently. I often use leftover paints to create small paintings. Such small canvases allow us to study the properties of paints better. If you are self-taught, you do not worry. You will learn how to select colors and understand the painting techniques with liquid acrylic. I will share these techniques in other videos. Therefore, subscribe to my channel, like and write comments.